Dear friends, RA Instruments introduce another precision instrument for industries, education institutions and NABL calibration labs. High precision decade resistance box covers wide range of resistance. It consists 1 milliohm to 100 kilo ohm. All the resistor having non-inductive, accurate and stable and good temperature coefficient. Mounted on low contact residual resistance gold plated switches or silver plated switches specially developed by RA Instruments. This is gold plated switches. The decade dial of the instrument easy to read. 3 4 mm metallic gold plated terminals. 1 ground terminal back of the instrument and easy to read selector knobs in portable metallic cabinet. First decade is multiplier of 1 milliohm, that is 0.001 ohm, and second multiply 10 milliohm, that is 0.01 ohm, and so on up to multiply by 10k ohm. We can also provide customized decade dials, that is you increase or decrease number, steps, value of decade and value of resistance in a same box, and high accurate fixed value resistance up to 5000 ampere as per user requirement, like 0.01 ohm 100 ampere. This is standard resistance. Now we demonstrate you how accurate our resistance box with the help of Fluke's 6.5 digital precision multimeter. We select multiply. You can see 001 103, that is 3%. Now we select 4 ohm. You can see 3.49 approximately 4 ohm. Now we select another value 2k. You see 2.401 means 0.005 ohm accurate. Thank you.